Hey guys! This lesson is about how to describe people's personality in English. First, you need to know about adjectives to describe personality. These are some examples of positive adjectives to describe personality. Friendly, kind, charming, adventurous, honest, hardworking, polite, likable, considerate, understanding, honest, sincere, straightforward, helpful, patient, bright, reliable, enthusiastic, hilarious, laid-back, easygoing. And these are some examples of negative adjectives to describe personality. Aggressive, bossy, grumpy, impulsive, picky, tactless, arrogant, considerate, mean, nasty, sneaky, dogmatic, intolerant, jealous, possessive, lazy, careless, irresponsible, gullible, moody, pessimistic. These are some phrases to describe your personality and their examples. I would say that I am extroverted. I'm an easygoing person. I have a good sense of humor. I describe myself as an optimistic person. I guess I'm moody. Now let's see more examples that include adjectives to describe personality. He is shy, he never talks to anybody. She is talkative, she never stops talking. I consider myself lazy, I don't like to work hard. He is always kind with new students. My dad is optimistic, he thinks everything is going to be alright. We are very bright students. They are very funny, they always make friends laugh. She is quiet, she never says much. He is a very honest man, he will tell you the truth. She is jealous, she doesn't want others to win. I am very brave, I face dangerous and difficult situations. Mike is clever, he is good at learning things. He is an easygoing guy, definitely a guy who is easy to get along with. James is so lucky, he bought a lottery and he won. Lucas is tidy, his desk is well organized. Maria is very irresponsible, she never does her homework. Now, let's look at some regular question forms about personality. What makes you happy? Are you happy with your personality? Are you shy? Do you make friends easily? Are you an outgoing person? What kinds of people do you get along well with? Can you think of 10 verbs to describe personality? Does having a great personality makes you attractive? What characteristics does a leader need to have? How would you describe a brave person? How are male and female personalities different? Do you consider yourself an optimistic person? Would you like to be different? These are conversation questions that can help you talk about personality. Thank you for watching.